So, on a roof full of trains. Been working on a lot of train equipment. A lot of my videos, you see a lot of trains because I've been stuck here for months, just getting all this cooling back online. But was gonna go over a couple PM finds, just things I look for. Obviously, contactors for compressors are pretty smoked, and we've actually changed compressors up here because of these single phasing. Power exhaust contactor, obviously smoked. Walk around here. I mean, economizer filter's gone. Put a fresh one in. And around here, got a power exhaust that wasn't working. Relay was smoked. I mean, blown to pieces. Like, got hungry on the roof and took a bite. You know, just, I don't know, easy, obvious stuff to keep a fella busy and make stuff look good. Peace.